This is a video on how to log on to your student's Pikes Peak Library District PowerPass. Now, every student in District 11 has this capability, and I will show you how to access it in a few short steps. Again, we are on Sabin Middle School's main page. From here, you will go to Library and Tech and hover over it, and then click on Library. From this selection, you'll scroll down the page just a little bit, and then you'll see PPLD PowerPass. Please click there. Now this new page that loaded up, there is some information that you will need before continuing on and logging into the Pikes Peak Library District website. Scroll a little bit, and then as you can see, to log in, the student will need their network username, and the password is actually their birthday, which is the month and then the day. Once you are ready, please click on this link and it will redirect you to the Pikes Peak Library District website. If you locate in the top right-hand corner, My Account, click there and it will take you to log in. Please use the network username and then your birthday as the password and click Login. If there are any further questions regarding this information, please get in contact with Pikes Peak Library District, or if you are not knowing your student username, please contact Mrs. West or Miss Grove in the library.